Hello everyone, I'm Gawu. Welcome to a new video. In this video, you'll learn how CSS transitions work with simple visual examples. Here's a simple example of how CSS transitions make a website feel more interactive. Now let's break it down step by step. The transition property defines which CSS property will be animated. Transition duration controls how long the animation takes. The timing function controls the speed curve of the animation, like ease in, or linear. Finally, let's simplify everything. Transition delay adds a pause before the animation starts.
Chill out, relax， 享受着美好的时光，让烦恼都飞走。Chill out, relax。阳光洒在身上，温暖又明亮，感觉自己像在飞翔。就就是这样，就是这样。Chill out, relax， 享受着美好的时光，让烦恼都飞走。Chill out, relax。生活中有太多的压力，让我们忘记了如何放松。 可是只有我们停下脚步，就能感受到自由的力量。
You can combine all transition properties in one line using the transition shorthand. Practice these examples and start adding life to your user interfaces. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more beginner-friendly CSS tutorials.